Hi everybody, thank you so much for stopping by. I recorded this video to do two things for you. First of all, to give you a little bit more information about what exactly the product does, and then second of all, to show you exactly how it works. So some background information. I actually created this template out of my own need. I run a very small design studio, and every year come tax time, I had to send out my 1099s to my contractors. And every year, getting the fields to line up with the paper form was absolutely maddening. So I created a Word document that places a set of fields so that when you print them out, it should print precisely in the correct place on the paper 1099 form. Now note that I said this is not a form, this is a template. When you open the file, you're not going to see something that looks like a 1099 form. It's not going to print the form itself. What you're going to see is a series of fields that once you fill them in, they should print out in the correct spot on your paper 1099 form that you've either ordered from the IRS or purchased from an office supply store. Without a template like this, you would either need to handwrite the forms, which is going to make it really hard to read, hire a bookkeeper, which could be very expensive, or track down a typewriter, which, let's face it, who has a typewriter anymore? This worked so well for us, we wanted to put it out in the world and hopefully help other small businesses like ourselves save time and money. So let me get started and show you exactly how it works. Step 1, open the template. Once you purchase and download the template, just unzip the folder. I'm on a Mac, so I can extract the files by double-clicking the zip file. The steps will be different on a PC, so see our help section for details. Select the template you wish to complete. Open the file in Microsoft Word. Step 2, fill in the information. Once the file is open, you'll see a set of fields. I'm working in Microsoft Word 2011 for Mac, so your screen might look different if you have another version. The fields should match up with the ones on your paper 1099 form. Fill in the necessary fields with the info for your recipient. All the fields have been included, but you may not need to complete every single one. See the instructions that came with your forms or consult your tax professional if you have questions. Note that the shading behind the field labels will not print, but the placeholder text will, so make sure to delete any placeholder text for fields you don't need to use. Step 3, just print the info onto your forms. Once you've entered the information, you can print it onto your paper 1099 form. When you print, be sure to set your print settings so that they print at 100%, that there's no scaling or shrinking. Then, remove the perforated strip from the left edge of your forms, and then align the form to the edge of your printer. That's it. Just repeat the steps for any other 1099s or your 1096 transmittal form, and then sign them and send them off according to the instructions provided on the forms. If you have any questions, see our help section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and good luck with those 1099 forms.